Hey, I'm Ryan with One of the Discovers, and today we're going to look at a smart Gable fan which installs in the attic. So basically there's a lot of heat going on up in the attic and the AC is kind of having trouble with that. It could be many different things including insulation, stuff like that. But this will help basically suck the hot air out of the attic and get the attic overall to a lower temperature. So we're going to try this out. It was like 120 bucks or something like that. This is the smart version. So basically you mount it up on the gable and plug it in with an outlet up there, and it has a thermostat and a humidistat, and you're able to set it on different modes, run it quiet at night, things like that. So let's check out what's in the box. Have the fan itself, which this installs against the window, and so you screw it in here. We also have the Gable vent covers, which will help basically isolate all the air that's flowing out of the gable. We have the manual here, shows you how to operate. So basically half the manual is installation, and the other half is basically telling you how to use the app, as well as wiring if you wanted to do some manual wiring. You can see here that they already wired up, just an easy way for you to test the fan and to pair it. It operates over Bluetooth, so you would just install this alongside the fan. You have a built-in fire fuse as well as a long cable, and luckily I have an outlet that I installed up in the attic, so that'll be super handy. And then some screws to go alongside this. So I'm going to do another video on installing and how this has been operating. Let me know if you have any questions, but this is what comes in the box, and I'm hoping that this will assist in lowering the overall temperature in the attic, which in turn should improve the efficiency of the AC for the second floor. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.